Warm greetings to all. Research Culture Society is a registered international scientific research organization and working for the research community at national and international level to impart quality and non-profitable services. We welcome educational institutions, colleges, universities, schools, industries, companies and firms to join us with Memorandum of Understanding and Memorandum of Association. The aims and objectives for collaboration are mainly knowledge sharing, academic exchange, research and training programs, community development programs, and supportive events with sponsorship opportunities. Research Culture Society is conducting conferences, seminars, symposiums, workshops, training and development programs on different themes. The Society has organized 250+ research events and training programs successfully in association with different institutions. Our collaborators and associate institutions, colleges, universities, scholarly professors, academicians and researchers are also being welcomed to join us as a speaker, trainer and committee member. We provide collaborative event support with planning, management, promotions and publications. RCS and ISRA offer professional memberships with the aim of networking events and activities. RCS and ISRA regularly announce RCS International Awards and SRA Global Awards in the field of education and corporate sectors to identify the best professionals. These awards aim to identify academicians, researchers and professionals who demonstrated excellence in their field with outstanding contributions to serve the community. We invite sponsorship and grants from the corporate, industries, institutions and government organizations to support educational events, research and training programs. The RCSP journals are international, peer-reviewed, refereed, indexed and with high impact factor. ISSN journals are publishing research papers, articles in all major fields and subject topics. Journals provide publications with digital identification. International Publishing House, RCSP publishes special issues, proceedings, and edited issues with ISSN and ISBN. Publishing House provides print and online book publications with ISBN. Book publication in all study subjects and categories. Thesis converted into book also available. Our activities and services. Arranges special lectures, faculty development programs, workshops, and professional training programs. For further inquiry visit our website and connect by email. Thank you all.